Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Somerset Clothing. Today we are going to learn how to cut men's button down shirts. Men button down shirt. And please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so and share for others to benefit from the videos that we have been posting. After subscribing, hit on the notification button so that you can get the notification for every video that we will be posting. So let's get into today's lesson. The measurement that we will be using for our shirt is, the chest is 42, the length is 30, the back is 19, the sleeves length is 24. So these are the measurements that we will be using. Before you fold your material, there's one thing that you always have to look at. Make sure you identify the good side of the material and also the bad side of the material, or the front and the back side of the material. So this is the front side of the material and this is the back side of our material. All the markings are going to be done at the back side of the material, or the wrong or the rough side of the material. So please don't forget to identify these parts of the material. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to divide our chest measurement by 4. Our chest measurement by 4. So it's going to be chest measurement divided by 4, which is 43 divided by 4. We are going to get 10.75 inches. 10.75 inches. After getting the 10.75 inches, we will add additional 4 inches to it. Additional 4 inches to it. With the 4 inches, 2 inches will be the placket measurement. 2 inches of the 4 is going to be the placket measurement, and the remaining 2 will be the seam allowance. So we are going to fold our material to get 14.75 inches. So this is 14.75 inches is going to be here. So let's fold the material to get 14.75 inches. Good. Now we have our 14.75 inches. We have our 14.75 inches. Then we measure the shirt length, which is 30. We will add 1 inch to it, making 31. .31 inch. Sorry, I need to straighten this line. Because now we have our 31 inches for the shirt length. Now we are going to measure the placket. Don't forget I said the 4 inches that we added to the 10.75. 2 inches will go into the placket and the remaining 2 will go into the seam allowance. So 2 inches from this part and 2 inches from that part. 3 inches from the part. So this part is going to be these 2 inches is going to be for the placket. Now we are going to take our back measurement. Please pay attention to this. When taking the back measurement, please don't come and start from where the placket measurement started, that is this portion, but rather you start from this place, this end. So our back measurement is 19 divided by 2. 19 divided by 2, we are going to get 9.5. Then we add additional ½ inch or 0.5 to it. So we are going to get 10. The 0.5 is going to be our seam allowance. So we mark our 10 here. So after getting the 10 here, you mark 2 inches downwards for the slant. 2 inches downwards for the slant. 2 inches downwards. So now we have it here. Good. We are going to measure our neck, or the circumference of our neck. To be on the safer side, what I normally do is I go in for 2.5 inch here and 2.5 inch here. So after joining everything, I measure the neck to see if I have the required or the actual measurement for the neck that I'm looking for. If I have to trim it a little bit, I just make sure I trim it to get the exact measurement that I want. So I'm going for 2.5 here and 2.5 there. Then I draw my arc. That is for the neck circumference, 2.5 or 2.5 inch and 2.5 inch here. Now we are going to join the slant. The slant will start from where the 2.5 ended. So we are going to join these 2 dots or these 2 lines. There we go. Good. Now we are going to measure our armhole. The simple method that I normally use in getting my armhole is that I divide the chest measurement by 5. Any measurement that I get, I add ½ inch to it, or 0.5 inch to it. So it's going to be 43 divided by 5, which is going to be 8.6 plus ½ an inch or 0.5 is going to be 9.1. The chest measurement divided by 5 plus ½ an inch. So it's going to be 8.6 plus ½ an inch, which is 9.1. So where I'll get the 9.1 is where I'm going to measure my chest. On this line is where I'm going to measure my chest. And with the chest measurement, is the chest measurement divided by 4, which is 10.75. Please watch this carefully. Don't start from here, but rather where you drew the line for the placket. After measuring the 2 inches, where you drew the line from is where we are going to start measuring the chest measurement from. That is 10.75 here, this place. Then so this is where our line or our armhole is supposed to meet. On this line. Good. So now after taking all these measurements, what we are going to do is we are going to cut it out. So please watch it carefully how the cutting is being done. Good. So now we are going to fold the 2 inches, that is the placket measurement. We are going to fold it. I'm going to fold it this way. So this is how it's going to be. After folding it, we are going to fold 1/4 inch, that is 0.25. That is 1/4 inch, 0.25. So don't forget to iron it. Please pay attention to this. It is a little bit tricky. Good. So after folding your placket, you also fold 1/4 inch like this. So it's going to be like this. Make sure you mark so that you don't get confused. So now we are going to mark the back of our shirts. So this is how we fold it again. Okay, we had it perfectly. So don't forget to iron it. Make sure it is in line, the front is in line with the back. Good. So now we are going to measure an extension of 4 inches here. 4 inches here. Just like this. So we are going to measure our back measurement, that is 10. The actual measurement is 19 divided by 2 plus seam allowance of 1/2 inch, which is going to give us 19 divided by 2 is 9.5 plus 1/2 inch, which is 10. So we have our 10 here. Please, the measurement for the back on the back bodice is being measured on a straight line. Please, not like this, but rather like this. So 10 inches over here. So we're going to trace this here. We fold it to touch the edge of the front part of our chest. You see that the front part is a little bit longer than the back, so we are going to cut this part off. only for the front, not the back. So please make sure you look at it well. Now, when you get to the neck measurement, or the neck, the cutting of the neck circumference for the back of our shirt, the 1/4 inch that we folded here, we are going to measure that 1/4 inch backwards here. So please, the cutting is not going to be done. We are not going to cut it at exactly where this place ended, but rather we are going to measure 1/4 inch backwards like this. So this is where we are going to cut. You fold it, you open it, and where you ended, you just cut it off. So after cutting it, you can see that the front will be more than the back at this point, at this place, 0.25 or 1/4 inch. So please pay attention to that part. Now we have finished cutting, or we have done with the back of our shirt. Please don't forget to mark it. Now we are going to cut, or we are going to divide our shirt into two. So you open it like this. We are going to divide the shirt at the middle part, or on the middle part of the line. Good. Now please pay attention to this. So now we have the left side of our shirt and the right side of our shirt. So now let's start with the folding of the right part of our shirt, that is the placket. So we are going to fold the placket for the right part of our shirt, this portion, this place, the right part, the left part of our shirt. So we are going to fold the placket for the left side of our shirt. Good. So if you open it like this, you could see 3 lines here. 1, 2, 3. Please pay attention. 1, 2, 3. We are going to fold it to touch the 3rd line. That is 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be like this. Please, you see this place to that end. So this is how it's going to be. Then where it ended, you just hold it and iron it. It's going to be like this. That is for the left placket. Now the right, that is, here's the right. Good. Now this is how the right part of the placket too is going to be done. The one which is under, the left side is at the top, the right side will go under the left side. So with the right side we have 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So with the first line is where we are going to fold. Right. But we make sure we fold it inside to touch the 3rd line. After folding, open it. So this is how the right side is going to be. Now we are going to cut the facing of the yoke for the back. So this is how it is being done. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share for others to benefit. So after that, here is the back. You fold the edge of so this is how it's going to look like. So let's place them on to have a rough view of how our shirt is going to look like. Now this is the right side. Will be at this place. The left side. In our next video, we will be learning how to sew this shirt completely. So that after sewing, this part will be on the right side of the placket, just like this. You see how it falls on it perfectly. So the yoke will just also be like this. Good. So now this is how far we have gone with our studies. Please keep watch this space. Our next video is going to have to sew the shirt completely. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share for others to benefit. See you in our next lesson.